I'm Jordan Milford up there, and I've been with the Al Saudi Association since 2019. People that make me feel the most admirable, both of my parents and my girlfriend, Shauna, who I have been dating for 2 years, hoping to make it to 3. So what the word home means to me, family. Family is everything. A place to feel safe, feel supported, enjoy good times with amazing people and individuals out there. My favorite thing about my home so far, oh yeah, kitchen for sure. I have a lot of good cooking gadgets out there. I'm very good with my knife skills out there. I also am a huge fan of playing music too. Actually have a drum kit at home, and I definitely feel relaxed and rewarded too.